Hey, what's up, guys? I'm so excited about this video today. It took me a lot to put this together. I'm having to talk to an audience you cannot even see, but I believe a lot to watch this video. So, my name is Barnabas Simeon, and in this video today, I just want to talk about my entire journey in the online space, internet business with affiliate marketing and other side hustle, and also the entire side income YouTube channel. So stick around. With that said, let's get right into the video. Yeah, well, welcome, guys. So I just want to welcome you back to this training, and like I said, in this video I'm going to be talking about myself, and I'm also going to be talking about the side income TV, the channel, what we're going to be doing on this channel. And on that, I like to add that I know a lot of people don't do this. They go ahead and start publishing videos and uploading videos, but I decided to do this so to tell you what the channel is about. Just to talk on myself, like I said, my name is Barnabas Simeon, and um, I am an entrepreneur and a digital marketing strategist. I've been in the industry for about 4 years now. Been learning digital marketing, so I'll be creating content for this channel. And I just love speaking. I love coaching and training, because I know training allows me to reach out and make a difference. So also the opportunities to create content on this channel will teach me so much about discipline, humility, hard work, and at the same time help me connect to a large community of same interest. So on this channel, like I said, we're going to be teaching how to make money online with models like affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, online surveys, and a lot other side income models. And it's going to be real strategies, things I've tried out myself, a lot of things I've done, and I've seen pretty results with it. I just want to share it out to people that have interest, so you can help you to make money for yourself. Yeah, guys, so that's it. And I decided to put this together, do this together. I know some of you be asking me right now, Bounce, there are a lot of channels out there teaching how to make money online, how to make money with affiliate marketing. Why do you want to do this? So why putting this together? I decided to write this so I can share to you. Now I have 4 reasons here. Number one is that the tips, why learning how to make money online, learning how to implement the strategies I learned from the gurus out there trying to teach how to make money online on YouTube here. I discovered that some of their tips, some of the strategies don't work worldwide, especially in Nigeria, in countries like Nigeria. So I decided to try out a lot of things, but they were not working. So I decided to come up with side income TV. So I'm going to be teaching real strategies, real case studies, things that I've actually tried out myself and they have worked for me in Nigeria. So I'll show everybody so they can implement the strategy and make money for themselves. Secondly, the concept of lying in marketing. In I think 3 years ago, I read a book by Seth Godin, All Marketers Are Liars. And when I read the book, I discovered that he made mention of lying in marketing, as though you cannot actually make money if you're not going to lie in your copywriting, in your headlines, with marketing. So I decided to prove that wrong, that okay, with marketing you can make money without even lying. So I'm going to be teaching you real case studies, strategies are going to be working. Also, employment opportunity. Here in the country where I'm based, in Nigeria, in Africa, there are a lot of graduates, there are people who don't really have jobs, and they don't know that you can actually make money on the side. So side income TV is going to be teaching how to make money online. There are strategies here. You can, even as a graduate, or you don't need to have any skills, you just have to come, you watch, you learn, and you implement the strategies here, and you're going to be making money online. Then also, personally, I just love internet business. I love making money online. I love affiliate marketing. I love promoting products, and recommending something that has value and offers real value to people. So that's the idea behind the channel. That's why side income TV was bettered. Yeah, guys, so what is the goal of side income TV YouTube channel? Our goal is to build a channel, for a community channel, Basically it's going to be a community channel, people of same interest, people who are interested in making money online, and we're going to be teaching real strategies here. And the main objective of this channel, we're going to be sincere as possible. It's a place where once you come, you're sure that if you implement whatever we teach on this channel here, you're going to get real-time results. We're not going to be exaggerating anything. We're going to tell you how it is. We show you case stories, real scenarios. And our vision is to be the number one make money online channel in Nigeria and Africa. Well, I heard the other day someone said that they are the number one affiliate marketer in Nigeria. Well, anyone is permitted to hold any title, you understand? And this channel is going to go out there. So I urge you to stick around to learn the strategies we're going to be teaching on this channel. Now we have a platform. Our platform is just YouTube. Here we're going to be teaching on YouTube, and we also have a website, which will be launching very soon. We'll give you more information about that. Going to be a blog where we also give you more reviews and information. So we also have social accounts. We have a TikTok account, Instagram, Pinterest, and we are on Quora. We have a space on Quora, Telegram channel. You can follow all our social platforms to get more information and stay connected to Side Income TV YouTube channel for your make money online strategies. Yeah, so let's quickly talk about our posting schedule. Okay, guys, for now we're going to guarantee twice every week. Yeah, because personally I also run a digital marketing agency. Yeah, okay, just a quick on that, where we offer digital services like Facebook ads, Google ads, your keyword targeting, the right bidding for you. We also offer email swipes, sales copy, and writing. We also write blog and articles for you, blog posts. So be sure to check out that. I'll give more information on that very soon. Also, the name is, the agency is already is going to be launched very very soon. So because of that, I also create content on there. I also have create content for the channel and the other social platform for the marketing agency. So we're going to be posting on Mondays and Fridays. So do subscribe, always watch our videos, like, comment, share, and subscribe to Side Income TV channel for more videos. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for watching this video. Before I go, I just want to add little tips about me. So I didn't say much. Like I said, my name is Barnabas Simeon, and I'm a digital marketer. I'm also an entrepreneur. I love to do business. So I'm going to be creating content for this channel, and I'm also going to be creating content for the digital marketing agency, which is what I'm going to be telling you guys about it in a bit. And I'm also going to create, I have 3 social presence I'm going to be managing: Side Income TV, the digital market, the agency, and my personal brand. So I'm also going to leave a link in the description to my personal social profile, so you can also connect better. Okay, so I want to add this. Trust me, I know this marketing. I've been able to close on this already. I'm going to be teaching you strategies, how to make money for yourself online with the Side Income TV, and I'm also going to be teaching digital marketing on the agency YouTube channel. Okay, SEO, SEM, advertising, how to create landing pages, how to write image swipes, how to write catchy headlines, and how to write converting email content, and all of that. Now I just want to add also, I am a very result oriented person. Not like the other guys who will just flip. I see a lot of YouTubers flip content around. They just go, they watch other videos, and they decide to like recreate the videos and post it out there without testing out the strategy. I'm going to be showing only real case scenarios, strategies, that things I've actually tried myself and they've worked for me. That is what I'm going to be uploading on this content. Now also, to add to that, like I'm just, this channel is just starting, and I just want to make things real, you know. So I didn't go out there to, maybe record myself, do a video out there to show that okay, I'm already making money online, I'm doing this. No, I just I'm keeping everything real. So trust me, if you implement our strategies here, if you watch any video and you do exactly what is in the video, you are going to be making money for yourself, because you will see. Because I learned that if you follow an example, you are going to get the same result. So if you follow my strategies, you are also going to get the same result. Yeah, so I'm just recording these videos with my new cell phone device I just got. Yeah, because I want everybody to see this from the beginning, to be a part of it, to feel it, and to also see that what I'm talking about actually works. If you implement every strategy I'm going to be teaching on this channel, you're going to be making money, you're going to be getting the same result. So it's more like a journey. We're going to take everyone from zero to hero. We are also going to do numbers. Yeah, so as we do the numbers, we'll be upgrading. Yeah, because I also love excellence so much. So as we do the numbers, as more people watch, as more people connect, we are going to be upgrading, and everything will be seen. I want to know my real community, I want to know my real fans. Yeah, so that's how the channel is going to be. So always remember to watch, like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, and share the video to other people who you want them to also make money online. Yeah, guys, so we are talking about making money online. We're talking about making money with affiliate marketing. So I couldn't end this video without talking about affiliate marketing. So I believe everyone watching this video knows what affiliate marketing is, but for the sake of those maybe coming for the first time, affiliate marketing is a business model. It's an online business model. It can be done offline. A lot do it offline. It's just like a referral system, business system, where you recommend a product or service or anything at all to someone, and then when they buy it, someone that needs it. Yeah, because affiliate marketing, some people try to convince people from no to yes. No, you are convincing people that already need the product, so you are making them to convince them about a particular one, but they were already interested. Yeah, it makes it easier. So recommending products and services to people, and then when they buy, the company or the owner, the vendor, gives you a commission. So you don't need to own the product, you don't need to create the product or have the service. You just need to take someone and recommend. Yeah, so a lot of people want to go into affiliate marketing, they wait, they take time. Now one of the mistakes people make is that they have what we call analysis paralysis. They want to figure everything. Yeah, I was a victim of that. I spent so much time learning without implementing. So one of my important tips is that you have to learn. Yeah, you have to learn, you have to know about affiliate marketing. How are you going to do it? Then you start with what you know already, you implement, then you learn. It's a continuous process. You cannot figure out everything. Just focus on content. Once you have content, you can start. You understand? So that is a very important tip in affiliate marketing. You have to learn, start, implement, and continue learning. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. I'm so excited. Like I said earlier in the video, why it took me a long time for me to put this together. I was also taking so much time to make everything perfect, but there's no perfection, there's no perfect time. Every time is the perfect time. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like it, share, comment. Also comment down in the comment section there, and let's trigger the YouTube algorithm to also share this video to a lot of people who need to watch this video. So one last important tip I'll say here is that always watch our videos, like, comment, and also share this video, because I know that once you implement the strategies, the things we teach on this video, you are going to be getting results. Yeah, guys, so always like I said, like, comment, share the videos. Don't forget to subscribe to Side Income TV and turn on the notification bell, so anytime we drop a video, you're going to be among the first persons to watch the video and go out there to implement the strategy. Remember, I said you have to implement whatever you are learning so you can be making money. So do watch the next video. The video I just published is the next video I'm going to publish. I'm going to teach you how you can make at least 5,000 naira daily from Nigeria. Yeah, I've done it, I've made the money, and if you're going to implement it, you're going to be making your 5k daily, but you're going to be working a lot. Yeah, it requires hard work, but you can make at least 5k. The laziest person should make like 2,000 naira or 1,000 naira in Nigeria. So do watch that video, and if you're actually interested in making like a million naira in 30 days time, also watch the next video, the other video I'm going to publish. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below. Thank you guys, and until then, peace.